What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JP the Install Guy here to show you how to update the firmware on this Pioneer head unit. If these are the type of things that you're into, please consider subscribing. This is what we do: car audio tutorials, reviews, Q&As, anything car audio install related. That's what the channel is about. And from time to time, I like to share my car audio knowledge. So whether you're a beginner or advanced, this channel is just for you. So first thing we're going to do is find out where our system update version is at. We're going to do that by going to settings, system information, then firmware information, and we see that our firmware is at 1.06. Next thing we're going to do is go to the Pioneer website. We're going to go to the exact radio that we have, and once this is the 4200, then you want to go down to downloads. After that, it's going to let us know what the most updated version is, and we see that it is exactly version 1.07. So now we know that our radio is actually out of date. So we want to go ahead and download the upgraded firmware, and we want to go ahead and accept the terms of the firmware, and it will download here in a zip file. Next, we have to actually go to the zip file and extract it so we can actually use it to update the firmware on the radio. After it's fully extracted, we want to copy it to a USB flash drive, and you want to make sure that the flash drive has absolutely nothing on it, only the firmware that we just downloaded. Now I like to click on the flash drive just to make sure that there's only one thing in there. That's the upgraded file. Then you want to stick that in the USB of the radio. Go to settings. We want to go back down to system information, and now we want to do firmware update and press continue. And what it's doing is basically just searching the USB to find the file. You see at the bottom it says we're going from 1.06 to 1.07. It's going to turn off and turn itself back on, and then it's going to actually start the download process. Now I'm going to speed this up because Pioneers take forever to download, but once it actually gets done downloading, it will tell you to press the home screen to reset the radio. So after we do that, it will reset itself once again. After it resets, it'll bring you to the OK screen. You'll press it and then just make sure that your firmware is updated to the 1.07 by doing the same thing, going to settings, system information, and then checking the firmware. And that's about it for this one. If you guys found any type of value in the video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. I would like to take this time to give a shout out to all the Patreons. You guys go the extra mile supporting me in the channel, and I really do appreciate it that I've actually given you guys enough value to where you want to give a little extra special thanks. And I just want to let you know that I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. With everything that I got going on, you guys still decide to support the channel just a little extra. The introduction to car audio training courses are still being made, so be on the lookout for that. Other than that, you guys have a blessed day. Keep growing, keep going. Peace.